YouTube channel comes with a lot of benefits. In Ghana here, if you are creating YouTube or you are doing YouTube videos and so on, some people disrespect you or some people don't regard it as anything. But if you go to other countries like the US, UK, even in Nigeria, you see that YouTube is something that they value they value it, like people create content and make money and all that. But aside creating content to make money, it can also promote your business. That's why if you see the white people, someone will be very, very old, but that person will still be on YouTube creating videos. That person will still be advertising his business using YouTube videos and all that. So if you are someone who wants to start creating YouTube video in Ghana or even any other country in Africa here, I'll advise you to get into YouTube, promote your business with YouTube, create content. If you want to be making money from YouTube, create content. I'm about to start my second YouTube channel, which is just about me vlogging about my agency. You know that I've been giving apartments to people. That is one of my side hustles, but I've seen that this can be like some business in future. So I have to create something that people will be aware about. So that's the main reason why I'm creating that YouTube channel. So this one, I'm going to take you through the process so that you who wants to create a YouTube channel from scratch, you will know the step-by-step guide involved. Now, I did a video explaining each and every single thing about YouTube already, so which is just theory. So for you to understand the down and the ups that I went through and all that, I've shared that, and that is in this video, so you can check it out. I believe that will give you a fair understanding before you check out this video. So this one is like a practical aspect of the first one that I did. So you can check that video out in the description as well. I believe it will be helpful to you. Now, for you to get started, you need a Google account, which is the same as your Gmail account. Then after that, you need to download the YouTube app on your smartphone. So let's quickly log into our YouTube account right now. So I've logged in. So if you are new, this is how it will look like for you. So if you check here, you see that I have nothing there, right? But I can watch YouTube and all that, because if you have Google account, you can watch YouTube once you are signed in, because they are all the same company. Okay, so now let's tap on the icon right here, my profile. So if I tap on my profile, you see this, you see my name right here and my Gmail account over here as well, meaning I just created this Gmail account. So guys, this is how it will look like. Now if you come here, you can tap on your channel here. You can see this that says your channel. At first they'll show you new channel, but now they'll just show you your channel. So let me just tap there. So guys, so this is how it's looking right now. So meaning I don't have a channel yet. So now they said I should create a channel. So this is the time for you to do every editing that you want to do. So Google automatically put in the information you put in your Gmail account. Okay, so that's it. So now I'll just come here and edit the name right here. So what name do I want to put there? So I will leave this name here. I would like to use this name for the channel for now. So let me go back. So let me go back and then editing. What name will I use to use? Will I like to use? So I can use so now I can use this name right here as my handle. So guys, that's it. So let me go back again. Then if there are some other changes that I'm supposed to do, I will do it. But for now, our channel is ready and we can just tap here and YouTube account to be created. Now here is another important thing where you can put a profile. So if I tap here right now, it will take me to my files where I can choose any picture as my profile. But I'm going to go backstage and do everything and upload my first video on the YouTube channel so that I'll show it to you. So let me go back and tap on create the YouTube channel. So once you create here, everything will be okay. Guys, for some reasons, I decided to hide the channel's name so that, I can get genuine subscribers to that particular channel, because it's like a business channel. So guys, that's it for now. So now if you want to upload a video, to your channel, all you have to do is to just come here and tap on the plus. Even if you are using the laptop or tablet, you'll still see the ad somewhere on your screen. So you just tap on the ad. So if I tap on ad here and tap on upload, you see the videos will show up in my file, and these are some of the vlogs that I did today. So I can just select any video at all. So let me say I select this one. You're welcome to my first ever video on this YouTube channel. So that's it, guys. So I'll just tap on next and give the details of this particular video. So I'll just put in the title, the description, and then tap on next. Then the video will upload. So guys, that's it. That's all about creating a YouTube channel. Guys, I believe this video has been helpful to you. If you find it helpful in any way, just give it a thumbs up so that will motivate me to bring you more helpful videos. So guys, that's it for now, and I'm going to see you in my next video. If you want to learn how to edit videos and all that, I suggest you subscribe to channels that shows you how to edit videos and all that. That will be very helpful. Everything is on YouTube, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.